Welcome back, everybody. It's Jeff again with J&K Stay in Vegas with another F1 teardown deconstruction update. In this video, I'm going to give you a new update to what's going on with the teardown. I heard there's something going on at the Bellagio. I had to come down early to check it out. So here at the corner of Harmon and Koval, you can see drivers can actually go down Koval now. Again, this used to be turn 17. That went into the pit area, and even over in the pit area they're taking down some temporary grandstands. So we're going to check this all out. It's over here on the right. Some of this stuff is coming down. It's nice to see. Now this pit building here is going to be staying through the duration. So we're heading down Koval now. And they're getting some of the grandstands over here. All the seats are out of those. Pedestrian bridges here. Now it's just the frame that's left here. That's good. Happy to report it's a lot easier at Ellis Island in case you're coming here to Vegas anytime soon. A lot easier than it was before. There was nothing but fencing here. So that is really good news. But yeah, all of these stands here that were along one of the real long straightaways here on the F1 race, they're tearing them down. So it looks like, thankfully speaking, that the track lighting is probably going to be one of the last things to go, because it's the least to impede all the attractions and everything here in Las Vegas. If I were a betting man, that's what I would say at least. That's where that turn went there. Okay, we're coming up here to Sands and Koval. And down there is the Sphere, of course, to our right. And again, it looks like they still have some track lighting, which is understandable. But a lot of it's taken down. So officers and everybody are parking in the middle part here. So they got all the track barriers and lighting down here on Sands, completely down. That is really good news. But really interested in seeing what the Bellagio and the Mirage look like right now, because I know a lot of you are interested in that as well. Still got some reduced lanes here on Las Vegas Boulevard. As they're probably tearing away the Mirage stands. At least that's what we hope, right? So yeah, it looks like they got all the seats out here. Oh no, they don't. They still got the seats to go. Now it's only been a week and a half since the race has been over. So it's expected this is going to take quite a while. They said 6 to 8 weeks. All right, let's keep going Las Vegas Boulevard here. Those seats are out. Here, Volcano will be coming back shortly, I have a feeling. They said by December 8th, I believe. Maybe they'll surprise us and it'll be open a little bit earlier. Really interested to see what they're doing up at the Bellagio. Heard a little bit of a rumor. Want to see from my own eyes if it's true. Here at Caesar's Palace, lanes restricted down to 2 lanes right now at Flamingo as we come up here. All right, let's see what they're doing here. Oh yeah. All these grandstands coming down. I love it. Look at that. Well, maybe our fountains will be back sooner than later, right? So they still have temporary fencing up here. Understandable, they got to work here. So the strip here is down to just 2 lanes, which is better than the 1 lane they had before. But this is all hollowed out now. Isn't it amazing? All this work for a 2-hour race. Pretty incredible. Yeah, it's all coming out. You see actually inside there where the lamp posts are. And now I saw, maybe I shouldn't spill the beans on anything yet though. Let me right up here, see what I can find. Some more of the work that they're doing here. I had heard that there were some trees that they brought out here, but I am not seeing them at this particular moment. Let's go around and check. Let's go check from this side anyway, see what we can see. Well, here's Jeff in the future as of 1 day later, and had to insert this right here because Review Journal posted some pictures and I couldn't find them. Well, I finally came around and found where this picture was shot that somebody had submitted to the Review Journal. And look at here, guys. Potted trees over here. And some tall ones too. So I don't know if these were the existing that they cut down, but I don't know. Regardless though, the trees are coming back and they're all over here waiting to be put back in. So that is good news. All right, let's continue on the track and see what else we can find, any updates for you. So all the track line is still here. So all this is still here. At least they have the pedestrian bridges. They've got all the pipe and all the lighting above there completely gone. It looks like they still have the film up there. Looks like people have been peeling it. So that's still up there and that still has to be taken down. Lighting towers are still in the middle here of the strip. You can actually see down there, Boulevard is really making some progress. As a side note, there we go down Harmon here. This was turn 14, 15, and 16. And this track lighting is still here, but tell you, this road is awfully smooth, which is really nice. Harmon here, going on this side on December 3rd, is going to be closed. So if you're coming in town or you're driving in like from California or whatever, this is going to be closed so that they can take these temporary bridges down. So just keep that in mind if you're coming here from December 3rd for that next following week. This will be closed to traffic. So we're still having a little bit of traffic issues. So just please keep that in mind so you do not get caught up in all of that. So this whole pit building is still going to be here. They'll end up using it for events and other things. So this is the only permanent structure here. And this is turn 17 where it would have gone right into the main drag area of the pit area. Well, everybody, that's going to do it for another deconstruction update for F1. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up and subscribe to J&K Stay in Vegas, where we're keeping you all updated to everything happening here in Las Vegas. And also turn on those bell notifications to be alerted to every time we post a new video just like this, or where we go live like we do every Saturday night. And also, a lot of you have been asking since the last video, hey Jeff, what are you on? Are you still on that scooter? Are you on an e-bike? Are you on a bike? What are you on? I'm going to tell you all about that in the next upcoming videos. This is drivenbikes.com. It is absolutely a fun electrical bike that works just like a regular bike. So drivenbikes.com, we thank them for their support, and you can check them out at drivenbikes.com. All right, everybody, until the next one, stay safe and stay silly. Bye-bye, everybody.